Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Have you ever started a new project and spent way too much time just trying to find a simple shapefile for a country, probably a state, or even a local district? It can actually be incredibly frustrating, I can tell you that. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that can completely change your workflow. We'll be using a fantastic QGIS plugin called the HCMGIS to download almost any unexpected boundary in the world directly inside QGIS in under 2 minutes. Okay, so here we are in a blank QGIS project. The first thing we need to do is install the plugin, and it's very simple. We're going up to plugins menu at the top of the screen and click on manage and install plugin. Then in the repository we just type in HCMGIS, just select that, and we have install plugin here. Once that's done, we close this up and we have it here on our menu bar. We click on that, download and open data, global administrative areas by countries, select that. You select your country. Once you select that, it shows you the level of details. It has the administrative layers 0, 1, 2, and depends on the number that you have available. You save it to the defined folder. Once you've saved that, let me get that to download. Select folder, beautiful. Apply. It lets you know how many you save. You select yes. Once that's done, you click OK, and voila, we have our shapefile out here. So you see, that's easy. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If it saved you some time and frustration, please give the video a thumbs up. It actually really helps the channel. What other QGIS plugin do you want to see covered? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy and hit the notification bell so you are the first to know when we post a new video, a new tip, a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy mapping. See you in next video.